These deviled eggs without mayo are easy to make and delicious. They are going to disappear from your appetizer table, guaranteed. Hey, I'm Laura, and on my channel I have a lot of simple recipes like this one, as well as my family's favorite meals. If that's your jam, hit that red subscribe button so you and I get to cook together twice a week. Today it's just you and I here, so I'm only making 6 eggs. You can make 12. I'll make sure to have all the ingredient measurements so you can up or down the recipe below this video in the description. No matter how you cook your eggs, whether it's on the stove, in the air fryer, in the oven, or even the Instapot, you want to start out with hard-boiled eggs already peeled. I'll leave my methods for boiling eggs below in the description for you so yours are easy to peel as well. First, I want to take my eggs and slice them in half. I like to start out with all of the eggs ready to go. I'm going to take them out of the white and put them straight into a bowl. One quick tip, if your egg yolk kind of sticks in there so you don't break the egg whites, it's to grab a small spoon and use the back of the spoon to release it from the egg white. If you find tips like that one helpful, give this video a thumbs up so I know to always add them on my videos for you. Now that all my egg yolks are in the bowl, I'm gonna mash them up with a fork. Mashing the yolk really small helps it mix with the other ingredients, and it makes filling a lot easier. You can use Dijon mustard or yellow mustard, whichever one you prefer. Dijon mustard tends to be a little stronger, gives it more flavor, but totally up to you. And you're gonna add that into your bowl. I'm also gonna add a little bit of salt, some ground pepper. Now, if you like deviled eggs with a little heat, you can add a couple drops of Tabasco. This is totally optional. And instead of mayo, I'm using plain Greek yogurt to make the mixture. You could also use plain sour cream. So now I just take my fork and mix it all around. Now, if you like, you can also add some chives inside of the filling for these deviled eggs. Obviously, you can sprinkle them on top to make them nice and pretty, but I feel like adding them in there gives each bite something, a flavor. It's real good. Now, deviled eggs tend to be kind of fragile, so I like to just place them on a plate or platter. If you have one that fits in your fridge, the serving one, that's great too. To fill them, you can use a small spoon. As you can see, I just go against the side. Or take the filling and place it in the zip bag to make a makeshift piping bag. So you just take it, let all the air out, zip it, grab some scissors, trim the ends, and now you make hard-boiled eggs really easy to fill. All you have to do, squeeze it right out of the end, start in the middle. I'm one of those people that often runs out of filling, so I try not to overfill my eggs and then come back and give it a second pass. One great way to hide all my imperfections is to take some smoked paprika and sprinkle it right over the top. And then take a few more chopped chives and sprinkle that over the top. These deviled eggs are ready to be served or be kept in the fridge for a couple of days until you're ready to party. For the recipe, grab the ingredients right below. See you guys in the next video.